here's how you can learn to read music, learn a little bit of music theory, and relax all at the same time. Play along with me. Hi, my name's Anne, and if it's your first time here today, consider subscribing so you can receive more tips and tricks about learning how to read music, write music, and play music. Wherever you are, you can make rhythm, whether it's on a table, your own body, a tin can, or even a drum. So grab what you want and let's get started. So for the next rhythm, it's going to be a little bit longer. I'll show you what we're going to do. I'm going to make it a little tiny bit smaller so that I can fit it onto one line just to make it a little bit easier. Still 3/4. And so it's one beat, rest, another sound, bar line. Okay, a bit similar to what we've just played. Then it gets different. And there. And then double bar, the two little dots and just the bracket to make it neaten it up a little tiny bit. Okay, so we've got how many bars? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. 1, 2, 3. Let's bring the speed up just a little bit so that it has a better feel to it. More lilting. Stop. Okay, well done. So let's try another one. This rhythm, I'm going to introduce you to eighth notes or quavers. So they're just half as long as the other ones. Okay, let me just show you a little bit about them. There's a repeat. So this is a 2-bar phrase or 2-bar rhythm. So these ones here, so there's 3 here, 2 halves, a 1 and a 1 rest. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These ones you can write in 2 ways. Either you can put a little tail if you want single ones, which you'll need from time to time, or you can join them together with a beam across the top. B-E-A-M. That's that thing across the top there. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Okay, so time signatures, you tend to emphasize the first note, and this is called an accent, and it's written under or over note like that. So we're going to give it a little bit of a bit more emphasis. So I play it a bit louder maybe to start with, yeah? Okay. So let's play it straight first. So you've got to be able to hear your accent. So just tune into what you're playing. So let's just do this twice with no accent. So try and keep it all the same. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now let's try it with the accent on the first beat of the bar. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's just practice this rhythm for a couple of minutes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Stop. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button. That will help other people like yourself find this video. To learn more about how to read rhythm, try this playlist. And if you'd like a cool t-shirt like this one, I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.